Nyamira n'ekingongo kindi Chinsa ya Kenya abaliki baitomba bakolentera mangana magia asenchira y'obwikirano emanya mange nabo igobwatira n'Ensoko TV koigeka chingenjo cy'omugusi Ensoko TV oburuso bw'omugusi tomutego Roberto yogosemya na gukumanya yago korekana kira lituko nabaliki baitu beandirete chinga kichons asengencho yao eyaliganie asobotengali botali no mubwekano Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi
Manjito mwegeria wegeta sengen Ensoko TV nigolireria bali na wika Chinsa Isano na Ibere chiabona mugaso chingakitwa kwariganiria Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere karanso ike annoncia sole edo nyole bunatonyere to kwariganiria emesa ya Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere gonga annoncia sole onyora somtanda ito Facebook na otonyora live n'Ensoko TV na bega sense media YouTube edo nyari go kwemanya egatira to kwariganiri unabutama nchende na ndemo na nengo kwariganiria asemesa ya Amayia tunyare to gusanga Manjito mulgeria togochaka bene ni wo mwaziri omonene oyu nando tenera mangana ye Chinsa Chiscom Salia Mudavadi atebirebuna abakenya bali bakwamete imeyense ya Russia eyo egendete n'egisegi nabegenseria ya Ukraine nigera chikoba konko bayira imeyense ya Kenya asatebirebuna nigeni bo eganirie nyarige kubayira imeyense ya Kenya ere igoro kulinde serikali yense ya Kenya negendete kubekemero biryo yokwirana yakwenekia buna kubayira ni erebocha imeyense ya Kenya eribanyare bakugenda magimabo nabego banyare bakumerana n'icyamate cyabo.
When people talk about why not go to the front line, it's important to appreciate that the war is taking place almost 1,000 kilometers away from Moscow. So it is not next door. And then it's important for people to appreciate that it is a war zone. Drones are firing missiles and so forth. So you cannot expect Ambassador Mathuki or anybody else to go to the war zone. So the only way to help our Kenyans is to negotiate with the military and government authorities in that area, because they are the ones that have access to the military zone. And this is a reality, it is not fiction. So sometimes when it's talked about in the media, the impression given is that Ambassador Mathuki and their people should have just gone to the war front line and pluck these people from a military zone and bring them home. It's not that easy. It's a very, very difficult situation. I thought this needs to be contextualized so that as we talk about the crisis we are going through, people can appreciate the challenges. And this calls for a lot of patience, calls for a lot of diplomatic engagements to be able to assist the Kenyans. We also discovered that there are so many other countries from the continent and beyond whose citizens have been trapped into this situation. So it is not unique to Kenya. India has faced a crisis. So many countries on the continent have faced a crisis, including South Africa. And the only way to be able to rescue their citizens is through diplomatic engagement. That is how it has been.
Nabego manchito murgeria mwaziri bubarindi baime muske kepchumba murkomen nigaraire okomorobirio wokubarikia amakurutu y'abanyanyimbo asatebire bunani wali chikori okubarikia lira chikoncholeria na gukiniwa ebirengo asaboigo abayiro koboko asokwenekia bunakubika baro molembe chinsemo ao imeyense ya Kenya nigaya kwanaya asiensemo cha Kiganjo ime county ya Nyeri.
Recruitment policy needs to change on psychometric testing and testing for drugs and whatever. Yeah. To be very honest, we didn't do well there. The KDF did a very good job there, and were apologetic when they sent students home for drugs and for alcohol abuse. They were very firm. It didn't matter whether you are a big man or a small man, relative of who, just told you sorry. It's not possible. So we should also be firm in the recruitment and say sorry for those who. So
among them, 54 had their causes terminated because of various reasons. 1, pregnancy and related issues. 18 were discontinued. Forged academic certificates, 18 were discontinued. Forged identification documents, 2 were discontinued. Health conditions, 2 were discontinued. Disciplinary issues, 3 were discontinued. Previous conviction, 10 were discontinued. And then 1 opted out due to sickness, a total of 54.
Naboigo muraibensi ya Kenya hotebire buna serikali nebetemero biri yakwenekia buna chisemi ngochechire goikirana asatebire buna enibo bekirwa sensemo yegisemi cha CBA nigera chie ko bakonya abali mu bonsi nabego kwenekia no enemero biri chiskuru nechwekirana nigaye kwanaya asensemo cha Naivasha ime county ya Nakuru.
A working education system demands continuous and vigorous evaluation and review to align it with aspirations behind its introduction. This forum is therefore ideal as it offers an opportunity for candid reflections on the state of our education. It is also an opportunity to assess our successes and reset our priorities. And congratulations, Waziri and your team, for putting this forum together. I know this is the second forum. The first forum, I wasn't able to attend. But on being briefed on the engagements in the first forum, I made the decision that I will be coming to this forum every year because of the significance and the importance of not just education, but the need for us to collaborate, harness ideas, correct where there are wrongs, and streamline the whole education program because, as I have said, it is the single most important investment any society, community, or nation can invest in. And that is the reason why close to 30% of our national budget is spent on education, not as a cost, but as an investment. It is the reason why we have progressively enhanced the budget in this sector from approximately 500 billion in 2022 to 702 billion in this financial year.
Nabaigo murikio butambe bwekisemi Julius Bitoki nigatebire buna eserikali nonyeke begetemero birio aho yokwenekia muno morobiro CBE nokongete nigatebire boigo emerobirie yo nigera chigo konya abanafunzi bonse PMS ya Kenya aseboigo airoko boko omorobiro CBE nagotebo buna nere semi era bakonye aborokiwa bonse mensi ya Kenya na yenigagocha tingaki abakenya bange naboiga bayiboli besokiri nagotebo buno morobiro yo CBE no bwate obokongo.
At the university level, we are working to produce graduates who are more employable graduates with an entrepreneurial spirit. We are working to develop the technologies that will lead us on this road to Singapore. And we already have some very deliberate examples that we will share in due course. Today, the conversation has changed. It is no longer whether the reforms can work. It is about how we can innovate in our different spaces to make this work, to deepen the transformation. And I want to assure you, Your Excellency, that the spirit is collaboration. We are collaborating with private sector across the different sectors of public service, with NGOs and with development partners, and the results will speak for themselves.
The objective of this conference is to review the progress made in our 3 state departments, that is competence-based education under basic education, competence-based education training under TVETs, and university education under higher education. Your Excellency, I want to take this early opportunity to thank you for the massive investment the government has put in education. We want to thank you very much for dedicating a lot of resources to ensure that education is on track. Indeed, in basic education, and I want to say competence-based education, is the best education system ever this country has ever gotten. And we are confident with your leadership and the investment you are putting there, we are going to take education forward.
Nabaigo banyagitaria kura Chinsemo au imensi ya Kenya nigo banyorira maigirio buna baranyari kubarinda abana bake bali banyari bakuiborwa nabaigo abaswati bali bakoenda sinyumba cyo kuiborwa eri banyari bakurinda amagimabo ibune nchira ya moyo kwenekya buna imensi ya Kenya nebwate chinchira cyo kurinda amagima y'abantu nabo.
Kama balozi wa Israel ninataka kufanya uhusiano na ushirikiano na Kenya pia na kaunti ya Makueni katika eneo ya afya na daktari wa Israel hapa katika Makueni Referral Hospital. Iko urafiki mzuri katika Israel na Kenya, iko uhusiano mzuri katika ubalozi wa Israel na kaunti ya Makueni.
Katika vifaa ambavyo vimekuja hapa, hawa wadau ambao wametoka nchi ya Israel wataweza kuangalia mtoto akiwa na maji kwa ubongo, akiwa na maji kwa roho, na pale kuna shida, na ili ni jambo ambalo litasaidia pia wala upasuaji wa hata watu wazima. Mahali kuna shida na mtoto kuonekana mishipa ya damu, watatupatia vifaa ambavyo vinaweza kuweka dawa ndani ya bone marrow. Hiyo ni teknolojia ambayo haijaonekana katika sehemu hii ya Afrika.
Abara ibechkanisa besokire na kubobolia mbara imensi ya Kenya kwenekya bonango twara bari chinkwana chomorembe kiraba kugendera emisangirikano ya siasa nigo batebire egati ya barai nigo babwate chimbwa cyo kugenda nababigwa asemisangirikano egentuge kubeka amagima y'abakenya bange nabigo abayigenwa bali bagutoka semisangirikane yo amagima abo aba asako.
It is therefore a great injustice that the residents of every county in our region are experience high level of insecurity characterized by murders, mugging, break-ins, banditry, and livestock theft. The murder of Reverend Julius Dumia of the Presbyterian Church of Africa, PCA, at Nakuru is a sad reminder that no one is feeling safe. Further to this, we deeply perturbed by the surgence of criminal guns for hire that are being used by politicians as goons to terrorize the opponent. It is a great shock to us that the national police officers are exhibiting as commandeer with the goons. This must be stopped immediately, and we call upon the Inspector General to end this heinous partnership. We demand that counties and national ministries of health address the issue with urgency. On our part, we call on the controller of budget to ensure that the counties allocate adequate funds to health care. Further to this, we urge the National Assembly to facilitate an urgent but through review of the Social Health Insurance Fund, Chief, on account of the persistent complaint that the Social Health Authority is not functioning as it is supposed to do. Patients have suffered enough, yet they have paid the premium. Let us bring the
na wikira gwo monjito murigeria bwigeta Sengen Soko TV no kutera Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabona mugaso kuri no nyari go konyora yanda mange chikora Chinsa 10 na bwo nsemo ya bora maragoba no nyore ayanda subwaga kuri ndasiboni gwo monjito murigeria yenda gucengera merubiri tumigeta Sengen Soko TV na robo subumoksi urabutame nchenguru kadana ndemo wa director bani cross studio kabere director ngo Jay na director Zack na wene krebna maligine chibichangu wikira sintra yo wikirano